Ooh. Bonnie. Bonnie? Bonnie.
What?
What happened?
I know. What do you...
What do you mean?
You look...
You too. What happened to your face?
What do you mean?
Well, touch your face and see what happens.
My face.
You don't have a physical face. I can see what's under your face. I see wiring. Your wiring's exposed.
What happened?
I don't know.
Okay, it's nighttime.
Yeah, because we're both. I think we're both exposed since our wires are poking out of our body.
Yeah.
So if it rains, we have to go inside.
Yeah.
Or stay under a tree.
Ah! Let's go back.
Okay.
Oh god, we're trapped.
Oh god.
We have to crawl.
I'm gonna run.
Here. Yeah.
We gotta crawl. We gotta crawl.
Crawl.
My leg. Oh my god, my legs are starting to deep.
Oh my god, my legs are rusty.
Oh my god, what's happening?
Crawl
I
going back.
was starting to fuse with your leg. I can't close the door if it's... Oh god, there's still rain. Where did you go, Bonnie? Where did you go, Bonnie?
Oh no, I see white.
Come back. Come back. Where did you go, Bonnie?
I don't know.
You poofed away from my sight. Why is it still raining? What's that lightning struck? Let me check it out. Oh god. It's still raining. It's still raining. Where did you go for the past few minutes?
I don't. We have to crawl back to get to that. Okay?
I can run.
Yes, we have to run.
You're crawling, not running.
I know, I'm running and crawling. Pizzeria first. Let's check.
We need sealant.
What?
We need sealant. We need some sealant so when we're in the rain, our wires are not exposed.
Yes, come on. We explored enough this place.
Yeah.
Now, it's time to travel up.
I think there's people, animatronics, and department service in there. I'm not allowed to look at that.
No! This is where we're supposed to go.
Is it?
Yeah. See? More pizzerias. Oh, another pizzeria.
Another one? And I think this pizzeria is haunted.
What do you mean?
It's where half of it's floating.
How?
I'm questioning what's that big building over there? There's a big building. Am I? Oh, where did you go? Did you disappear on me again? Look, disappearing.
I don't know where I am.
Bonnie, who are you? Who are you?
He's a bear man.
I am a bear.
You are Mr. Bear. Mr. Bear.
I am a bear.
Mr. Bear.
What?
What are you doing?
I don't know.
I
just saw this pizzeria, so it looked like okay.
Mr. Why didn't you stay at the beach with Fox?
No.
Yeah.
What?
Nothing. I'm going back.
Okay.
Bye.
I wonder where Bonnie goes sometimes. Go get this corner though.
Hop, hop, hop
Let's
like
see
a
what
bird.
corner is. Whoa. Where did you go for the past 2 minutes?
Let's explore more of them.
Is it rain right now? Should we be getting hurt right now?
No.
Why?
This place. Wait.
Stop disappearing on me! Where did you go, Bonnie?